In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable microphone access on your HP desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, select a microphone. Toggle microphone access to the off position at the top here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.